Guys, namin sa SM nangasaag nga bikers. Andra. Hello mga bay, welcome again to my channel. For today's vlog is all about ride going to SM Cebu. May mga bike lane na rin pala tayo na nakikita as you can see in front of the screen. So if this is your first time here,
Please subscribe and click that bell button.
A few moments later.
aside from bike lane in the North Reclamation area going to SM, may mga parking area na rin na napansin ko dito sa SM City Cebu.
Pwede, sir?
Oh, magbili no guide?
Sige, amo lang pa nun, restaurant nga lang.
Wala sa
Wakay ID.
pangalan
din, sir.
Ronald Iranjo. Lost bicycle pass is subject to 200 pesos penalty to be paid at the Customers Relations Service Office together with the owner's valid ID. SM City Cebu is not liable to any loss or damage of your bicycle. No padlock, no parking. Bike is secured, nakalap na. Yan. So tapos papasok kami sa SM City Cebu. Dahil nasa pandemic pa, face shield.
A few inches later.
Guys, namin sa SM nangasaag nga bikers. Andra.